Hello everyone! So today we are at the Warner Brothers studio tour, the making of Harry Potter. Christian hasn't ever been here before. This was supposed to be a birthday surprise for him. We didn't get to go for his birthday
Back in May.
yet because of COVID, but it has reopened, so we've come today. And yeah, we're really excited.
We've got our masks. We're ready to go.
We are ready to go.
See some wizards.
See you in there. So we've just come into the Great Hall. At the moment they're doing the celebration of Slytherin, so you can see all of the Slytherin flags out there, just like in the first Harry Potter film, which is amazing. And I'm sure Christian is going to love it because he is definitely a Slytherin.
Now, speaking of the Philosopher's Stone.
What do you think, Slytherin? The Yule.
Hermione.
Dumbledore. You can just see it, but there are 16 hidden snitches here. So the first one is in the Great Hall, and we've just found the second one. Well, Christian did. I would like ice cream like that. Nom nom. There you go, there's Harry's bed. HP.
So, we're here now in the Gryffindor common room, where the boys'
Dormitory.
It's just crazy, like as you walk around, you just see everything, the amount of detail that is put into
Everything.
the things that you wouldn't even notice in the films, like the amount of hours that go into just the smallest details.
Yeah. So as at the moment it's Celebration of Slytherin, they've got the Slytherin common room on show, which is really cool.
It is cool, but how do they not realise that they're all going to become?
How did you not realise you were going to come?
There's a skull above the fireplace. Like everything about it says bad guy.
It's very cool though, look at that fire. Pure magic. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Celebrity.
Tell me, what would I get if I added powdered root of asphodel to an infusion of wormwood?
Say up. You can't really see it in here, can you?
Use it. That's the bar.
Oh, the beret. Nothing. A live one lesson. To enter the Forbidden Forest. Are you scared?
But it's forbidden.
Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed learning things.
People.
Ooh. The Forbidden Forest. Hagrid's watching over us. Hi,
It's like
Bugsy.
the ET ride at Universal.
It is like that.
Is that off
We have arrived. Platform 9 3/4.
9 3/4.
We've just got our butterbeers. We got 2, but I ordered 1 in a souvenir cup and he forgot to give it to me, so now we've got 3. And also 2 butterbeer ice creams, which are really nice, aren't they? I can't really see because it's so like bright outside. You can see the night bus.
Kind of tastes like a butterscotch like toffee mixed together.
Really nice. So we've got our butterbeer. What did you think of it?
It was nice. It wasn't as good as the one in Florida.
No, it's not
just
quite
sort of
the
like
same.
coloured cream soda with a bit of whipped cream on top.
But the ice cream is really nice.
The ice cream is really good, and the cream bit tastes really good. But the beer just isn't very great. Very great.
It's alright. We've got to drink this now, so I can take the cup home.
And the one they gave us by accident.
It's their one.
They're gonna be bloated.
Was it Harry?
I'm a what? A stinking wizard.
On the Bridge of Dreams. Hogwarts Bridge. See, this is the Potter's Cottage.
So is that where the thing went down?
Yeah. I'm Dobby.
Dobby is a freak elf. Okay.
So we've just walked through Gringotts Bank, and now you can see the little cart behind me, and I think we're going into the Stranger's Vault, which is really cool.
Dragons in the V.
Best quality cottages. Ollivanders, look at all those horns. You want a picture of us? Okay. This is it, Hogwarts Castle. It's incredible, isn't it?
One hell of a model.
This doesn't really do justice to like how big it is.
It must be wide.
Everybody's ones. All the actors in the films.
As long as they're credited, and if you did find technician, for example, like, for example, if you asked me where to find Paul Spateri,
yeah, I think everyone that even made it, I think. Anyone that's in the credits of the films.
I thought there'd be more than that. Maybe it's been one film.
I found Luna. Ivana Lynch. So that was it for our time at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour.
Yeah.
Harry Potter.
It was really, really cool. I definitely recommend it for anyone who hasn't been.
It is so good in there. Like all
just the
sets,
detail,
yeah, are so detailed. They're amazing.
It's
And yeah, it almost feels like you're really there, doesn't it? Like, so good.
No, it's, again, the detail is just insane.
Yeah.
What they actually put into just stuff that you wouldn't even second look. Very cool.
So that's it, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.